The fight over Florida's death penalty procedures is stretching into the summer. The state Supreme Court is expected to hear arguments on one of the biggest issues in the debate.
Tonight, a local mother will continue her push to see the death penalty thrown out in the murder trial of her daughter's accused killer. Jennifer's Ashley Harding joins us live from Springfield, where the Not My Name rally will take place. Ashley.
Yes, Bruce, we're here at the Mount Sinai Missionary Baptist Church on what would have been Shelby Farah's 23rd birthday. This is where her mother, Darlene Farah, will meet to discuss the death penalty and the trauma inflicted on victims and the victim family members. Police say Shelby Farah was shot and killed back in 2013 by this man you see right here. This is James Rhodes. Shelby was working at a Brentwood cell phone store when police say James Rhodes came in, robbed her, then shot and killed her. Now, prosecutors are seeking the death penalty in that case, but Farah's mother wants Rhodes to spend the rest of his life behind bars. This is all part of the debate, causing a lot of confusion in Florida courtrooms. On what would have been Shelby Farah's 23rd birthday, her mother, Darlene, prepares for another chance to be her voice. Farah speaking about something very personal, a chance to make a difference.
It's going to be nonstop. It's to bring awareness about the death penalty.
Awareness and compassion for Farah. Every time she sees the man charged in Shelby's murder, she feels victimized all over again. She says she's not alone.
They're victims' families, and reaching out to me to help them let their story be heard because they've been pushed away
and ignored. And with Florida's death penalty law now in the legal forefront, the process is drawn out even more. Back in January, the United States Supreme Court ruled Florida's death penalty sentencing process unconstitutional. Florida lawmakers rushed to make changes after that, and the current law says 10 of 12 jurors must recommend death. Since then, a circuit judge in Miami-Dade struck down that law, saying the recommendations need to be unanimous. State judges are expected to discuss that next month. The process is still ongoing, but for Farah, this is about something much bigger than legalities. She also wants to see changes in the system. That starts with juveniles who've been in trouble.
12-year-olds, 15-year-olds that are being tried as an adult, and then they get 25, 30 years. When they get out, we all know what's going to happen. I mean, they're going to end up right back in the system.
But more than anything, Farah's fight is for the right to move forward.
Basically, there's to break the silence. I mean, they are their loved one's voice, and they need to be heard.
And a lot of people are speaking tonight, including two men who were on death row but have since been exonerated. We'll also hear from someone specializing in behavioral health. They will talk about the trauma this puts on families. A lot of other people are expected to speak as well, including Shelby Farah's brother and her sister, both younger siblings. This event starts at 6:30 tonight. It'll last for about 2 hours. Live in Springfield, Ashley Harding, Channel 4, the local station.